alone cannot heal. Restoration brings the Orans back to life. Water bodies desilted, revived, and renewed.
So we do a lot of water conservation around the Orans, inside the Orans. Either the old water bodies we restoring them or we building new water bodies.
Krapavis has restored or built more than 400 water bodies, including takas, nadis, talabs. But what about the plant biodiversity, especially grasses?
Grass is also important component from the environmental point of view as well as the community point of view, because community need area for grazing. They need grasses as a fodder.
जैसे सेवण घास का है अपना, ये खत्म होती जा रही है, तो हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि संस्था के थ्रू जहाँ से भी हमें उपलब्ध हो सके, सरकार भी इसके लिए बहुत चिंतित है, वहाँ से हम उस घास को लाएं, सेवण घास का बीज, और वहाँ पर हम छिड़काव करवाएं, वहाँ दोबारा से पनप सके.
It's just not the livestock. The Godawan actually make their habitats in the seven grasses. You know, there's a big relation between seven grasses and Godawan. Other wildlife, other birds, they eat, the seeds on it. So it's a whole ecosystem,
In a special nursery made by Krapavis, thousands of saplings of native species grow, waiting to take root again in the groves.
We make sure there has to be native species. During the monsoon, all these trees go to different Orans and Debanis for the plantation.
Yet protection cannot end with planting. For Orans to thrive, they must be cared for by those who live with them. Village committees are formed, made responsible for their own groves.
They take the decision about this village, what activity is required, what kind of plantation is required, which water body need to be restored, and if it is restored, who will be taking care of these.
Community participation ensures that restoration does not fade, but grows stronger each season. At the heart of this stewardship are women. For them, Oran is not heritage in books. It is daily survival. Krapavis has empowered women's groups to take charge, ensuring groves are restored and nurtured with care.
हम समिति में 10-12 सदस्य हैं और ओरन के बारे में हर महीने मीटिंग करते हैं, उनको ओरन के बारे में बताते हैं, जानकारी देते हैं, गांव वालों को देते हैं.
आज वो लोग अपने घर में जाके बच्चों को सिखा रही हैं कि देखिए वहाँ जाके गंदगी नहीं फैलानी है, उस पेड़ से हमें ये फ़ायदा है, इसका जाके आप पूजा करें और इसको जाके आप रोकें.
Today, Krapavis has made a positive change in more than 200 Orans, impacting lakhs of villagers. But the journey was not easy.